Dear 6th standard students, welcome back to this video section of Maths Term 3. Now we are going to solve exercise 2.1. Here we discuss about the integers. Let us get into the session.
Look at this chapter 2, integers. The set of positive numbers, negative numbers and 0 together are called integers. Integers means the positive numbers and negative numbers and 0 together are called integers. Natural numbers are called as positive integers and the whole numbers are called as negative integers. Listen, the positive and negative numbers together are called as signed numbers. Positive and negative numbers are together are called as signed numbers. Signed numbers are also called as direct numbers. So, integers are denoted by the letter Z. Z equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 4, minus 3, minus 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. These are the integers. Left of the 0 are negative integers. The numbers are increased by left and the value are decreased. Numbers are increased but the values are decreased. And right of the zeros, 0 is positive integers. The numbers are increased and the values are also increased. Now let me see the exercise sums. Exercise 2.1, first question, fill in the blanks. The potable water available at 100 meter below the ground level is denoted as dash. Listen, left of the 0 is negative and also below the ground level, that is also denoted in negative integers. Above the ground level, that is positive. So now they denoted in below the ground level. So that is minus 100 meter. That is the answer. Next one, a swimmer dives to a depth of 7 feet. Depth of 7 feet, that intimate the below the ground level. So from the ground into the swimming pool. So that is also below the ground level. So it is also in negative integers. So 7 feet below the ground level means minus 7 feet. That is the answer. Next one, minus 46 is to the dash of minus 35 on the number line. Listen, in the number line, left of the 0, here 0, minus 1, minus 2, dot, and then minus 35 and then only minus 46. So that is minus 46 is left of minus 35. So that is left is the answer here. Next, there are dash integers from minus 5 to plus 5. That is 11 integers. Next one, dash is an integer which is neither positive nor negative. Negative integers, positive integers and 0 together is called the integers. And which one is the neither positive nor negative? That is 0. 0 is an integer which is neither positive nor negative. That is the answer. Second one, say true or false. First, each of the integers minus 18, 6, minus 12, 0 is greater than minus 20. Yes, negative numbers less means that value is greater. So minus 18 is also greater than minus 20, 6 also greater than minus 20, minus 12 also greater than minus 20 and 0 also greater than minus 20. So that is true. Next one, minus 1 is to the right of 0. Minus 1 is left of 0 only. So that is false statement. Next one, minus 10 and plus 10 are at equal distance from 1. Minus 10 and plus 10 are at equal distance from 0, but they given 1, so that is false. All negative integers are greater than 0. No, that is false statement. All whole numbers are integers. Yes, that is true. Next one, third question, mark the numbers 4, minus 3, 6, minus 1 and minus 5 on the number line. So first draw the number line. Now we draw the number line and mark the numbers. Plus 4, right of the 0 only positive integers, here plus 4. Next one, minus 3, that is minus 3. Next one, plus 6, here only plus 6, and then minus 1, here minus 1. Next, minus 5, minus 5. So that is the answer. Fourth sum, on the number line, which number is? First one, 4 units to the right of minus 7. So first draw the number line. Now listen, 4 units to the right of minus 7. From minus 7, 4 units move right side of that. So from here minus 7, move right side 4 units. 2, 3 and 4. Which number we get? Minus 3. So that is the answer. Minus 3 is 4 units to the right of minus 7. That is the answer. Now next subdivision, 5 units to the left of plus 3. Same procedure, draw the number line and listen, 5 units to the left of plus 3. Here only plus 3. From here move 5 units left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which number we get? Minus 2. So that is the answer. Answer minus 2 is 5 units to the left of plus 3. That is the answer. Fifth sum, find the opposite of the following numbers. Listen, they given the numbers, we have to find out the opposite sign of the numbers. So listen, plus 44. What is the opposite number? Minus 44. Next one, minus 19. Minus 19 means answer plus 19 is the opposite number. Next one, 0. Opposite of 0 is also 0. Next one, minus 312. What is the answer? Plus 312. Next one 718. Nothing is there means plus. So minus 789 is the answer. Sixth sum, if 15 kilometer east of a place is denoted as plus 15 kilometer. East side it denotes plus 15 kilometer. What is the integer that represents 15 kilometer west of it? So that is opposite side. East. West is the opposite of east side. So opposite of east is west. So that sign is different. If 15 kilometer east denotes plus 15 kilometer. Now then 15 kilometer west is, what is that, minus 15 kilometer, because it is opposite sign. That is the answer. Seventh one, from the following number line identify the correct and wrong representation with the reason. Listen, first one 0, here negative numbers and here positive numbers in 2 multiples of 2. That is wrong. Because the numbers are not continuously. That is the answer. Next one 0, here negative numbers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is correct. Next one 0, minus 1 and one number is minus 2 is misplaced here. So that is wrong, because minus 2 is misplaced. Next one 0, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10. Here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That is correct. The numbers are marked at equal interval. In correct order. Next one 0, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. That is a correct order, but here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 from the left it begins. So that is wrong. Negative integers are marked wrongly. That is the answer. Eighth sum, write all the integers between the given numbers. First subdivision 7 and 10. Listen, first draw the number line and mark the number. Here plus 7 and plus 10. What are the number in between? That is only the question. So answer the numbers between 7 and 10 are, what are they? That is 8 and 9. That is the answer. Next one, minus 5 and 4. Minus 5 and 4. Here minus 5 and plus 4 here. So what are the numbers in between? Numbers between minus 5 and 4 or minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Avoid these two numbers. In between numbers only they ask. So minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. That is the answer. Third subdivision, minus 3 and plus 3. So first mark minus 3 and plus 3 here. Answer, number between minus 3 and plus 3 are, what are the number? Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. That is the answer. Next subdivision, minus 5 and 0. Mark the point minus 5 and 0. What are the numbers in between? Numbers between minus 5 and 0 are minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. That is the answer. Ninth sum, put the appropriate signs as greater than or less than or equal in the box. So listen, first one, minus 7 is greater than or less than 8. Listen, we know that minus 7 is left of 8. So minus 7 is less than 8. Next one, minus 8, minus 7. Here also we know that minus 8 is left of minus 7. So that is also minus 8 is less than minus 7. Next one, minus 999 and minus 1000. Which one is left? Minus 1000 is left of minus 999. So 999 is greater than minus 1000. So minus 1000 is less. Next one, minus 111 and minus 111, that is equal to 0 and minus 200. 0 minus 200 is left of 0. So that is that only less. That is the answer. 10th sum, arrange the following integers in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. So listen, first positive integers and negative integers separately. So negative integers, minus 11, minus 13, minus 15, minus 17, minus 19, minus 20, and then positive integers 12, 14, 16, 18. Now write down in ascending order means small to big. Which one is smaller here? Small here. negative numbers, which one is greater number, that value is small, that is only small numbers. So minus 20 and then minus 19, minus 17, minus 15, minus 13, minus 11, and then in positive side, which one is small number, that is also small number. So 12, 14, 18, that is the answer. Next one, here also separate the negative and positive integers. Here minus 28, minus 5, minus 40, and then minus 1. Positive 6, 8, 0, 12, 4, 22. Now answer. In negative numbers, which one is greater one, that is the smaller number. So minus 40 and then minus 28, minus 5 and then minus 1. Next 0 is there, that only will come, and then so then which one is smaller number? 4, 4, 6, 8, 12 and then 22. That is the answer. Next one, write the negative integers. Minus 100, minus 1000 and then minus 1, minus 10, and then positive 10, 100, 0, 1000, then 1. Now write the answer, means which one is the greater one? Negative. Minus 1000, minus 1000 and then minus 100 and then minus 10, minus 1. Here 0 is there, so next one 0 will come, and then 1, 10, 100, 1000. That is the answer. 11th sum, arrange the following integers in descending order. Descending order means big to small. Write down separately negative and positive integers. Here big to small, so first write down the positive integers. 14, 27, 15, 0 and 11, and negative minus 14, minus 9 and minus 17. Now the answer, which one is the biggest one here? In positive numbers only, biggest one. In that 27 is the biggest number, and then 15 and then 14 and then 11, 0. Here which one is the biggest one? Which one is the smallest number? That value is biggest. So minus 9, minus 14 and minus 17. That is the answer. Next one, write down the positive integers here. 65, 78, 400. Next negative, minus 99, minus 120, minus 46, 600. Okay. Next one, answer. Which one is the biggest one? 400, and then 78, and then 65. Next here minus 46, minus 99, minus 120, then minus 600. That is the answer. Next one, third subdivision. Write the positive integers 111, 333, and then 555, and then 7777. Now negative integers, minus 222, minus 444, minus 666, minus 888. Now write down the answer. Which one is the greatest one? 7777, and then 555, and then 333, and then 111. In negative, which one is the biggest one? 222, minus 222, minus 444, minus 666, minus 888. That is the answer. Here exercise 2.1 is over. So children, practice well. I'll see you again in next exercise. Thank you.